From credit ruin to creditworthy. Have you ever tried to get a loan or a credit card, but were turned down because of your credit score? Or perhaps you were enticed by a 0% financing offer when buying a car, only to discover the interest rate you qualified for was a whopping 19%. Are you stuck paying more for your home than your neighbor due to a higher mortgage interest rate? Well, you're not alone. I've been through these exact situations myself. The culprit? A low credit score and some not-so-great credit habits. I've had my fair share of financial setbacks. My car was repossessed. I had not just one, but 2 bankruptcies. I maxed out several credit cards, and I teetered on the edge of foreclosure, but was saved by selling the house. After a long and challenging journey, I managed to turn my finances around, and now I have an excellent credit score. So, what's the secret to this transformation? It's all in my book, From Credit Ruin to Creditworthy. In this book, I unravel the mysteries of credit reporting and credit repair. I reveal what creditors are truly searching for in your credit report, what factors impact your credit rating, and most crucially, how you can take charge and boost your credit score. Inside the book, I break down the fundamental credit laws and show you how to use them to your advantage. You will discover how to dispute errors on your credit report effectively and how to communicate with creditors and collectors. I also provide a step-by-step guide to credit repair and a roadmap to transforming your credit score and reaping the rewards of good credit. By following the strategies I share, you will not only save precious time and money, but also cultivate lasting credit management habits that will set you on a path to financial success. Since my own journey, I've not only learned how to manage my credit, but also achieved an excellent credit score. Now it's your turn. Head over to creditworthy.com, grab a copy of my book, and discover how to repair your own credit while boosting your credit score. You can also find the link to purchase the book conveniently located in the description below. Don't let credit woes hold you back any longer. Take control of your financial future today.